Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer. This is for your security. Some settings are managed by your system administrator. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in local group. Best match, you'll come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to expand underneath where it says, let me just make this a little bit wider here. You want to go and expand underneath computer configuration. Double click on the administrative templates folder and then do the same thing for the Windows components and then select where it says BitLocker drive encryption. Just left click on that one time. On the right hand section, you want to locate the folder that says fixed data drives. Double click on it and make this even a little wider here. You want to make sure everything is set to not configured. If anything is set to anything other than not configured, double click on it. And you want to set the status to not configured and then apply an OK to save that policy. And you want to do the same thing for the operating system drives. So make sure everything is set to not configured, as well as the removable data drives. So again, make sure everything is set to not configured in there. And then finally, once that is done, you can close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back with registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you would have to do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now that that is done, we're ready to begin. And we want to start by double clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. So double click on that. And there should be a policies folder in here. Double click on it. And Microsoft, double click on that too. Go down to Windows and double click on that. There should be a current version folder. Double click on that as well. And then finally, Internet settings. Double click on it. And now on the right side, if you want to see a value in here that says security underscore HKLM underscore only, if you see a value in here with that name, you would right click on it and then you would select delete. Again, it would say security and then there'd be an underscore HKLM underscore only. And when I say underscore, it's just like a little underline, basically. It's just kind of a space between each of the words. You will go ahead and delete that, and then you would need to restart your computer in order for the change to take effect. So let's just go ahead and restart our computer at this time. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.